Eyebrows are one of the most noticeable part of one's face. If your eyebrows are too thin, you can easily solve this problem with help of some natural home remedies. Here are some of the best ways to grow thick eyebrows naturally. Take one onion and peel the skin. Cut it into cubes and put them in a mixer jar. Grind them to a smooth paste. Extract the juice. Massage this juice onto your eyebrows for about 5 minutes. Allow it to dry on its own and then wash it off with cold water. Follow this remedy once daily for several weeks. Onion juice also aids faster and denser growth of eyebrow hair. The juice has sulfur that improves the production of collagen tissues required for proper eyebrow growth. Also, it strengthens the hair follicles. Put a few drops of warm coconut oil on your fingertips and apply it on your eyebrows. Massage it gently for a few minutes to boost blood circulation. Leave it on overnight. The next morning, rinse it off with water. Do this daily for 1 or 2 months to notice changes in the thickness of your brows. To enjoy dense and impressive eyebrows, you can use coconut oil. The various proteins as well as nutrients like vitamin E and iron in coconut oil promote healthy and thick eyebrows. It can also help make your eyebrows darker. Soak a cotton swab in pure castor oil and apply it on each eyebrow. Massage gently with your fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water and a mild cleanser. Repeat once daily for few weeks until you notice improvement. Castor oil is one of the most effective remedies to boost the growth of your eyebrows. It contains proteins, vitamins, and antioxidants that nourish the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Take a fresh aloe vera leaf, peel the skin and extract the gel out of it. Take 3 to 4 teaspoons of fresh aloe vera gel and 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Mix them together. Using a clean old mascara wand or a cotton swab, apply some serum on your lashes before going to bed. Leave it on overnight, then rinse it off with warm water the next morning. You can use this serum daily. Aloe vera is a wonderful home remedy that can help you get long, thick eyelashes. It contains several vitamins and nutrients that promote the growth of your lashes and eyebrows. The antioxidant capacity of vitamin E oil promotes healthy hair growth. Application of this oil will also improve blood circulation to the hair follicles. Take a fresh aloe vera leaf and wash it thoroughly. Cut the leaf into small cubes. Take 1/2 bowl of melted coconut oil, which is equal to 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add aloe vera cubes to it. Warm the oil by placing it in a hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cool down for some time. Drain the oil and it is ready to use. Using a clean cotton swab, apply some oil on your lashes before going to bed. Leave it on overnight, then rinse it off with warm water the next morning. You can use this oil daily. Take 1 capsule of vitamin E and squeeze out the oil. Add ½ teaspoon of petroleum jelly to it. Mix them together and use. Apply the mixture around your eyebrows and eyelashes. You can leave this mixture overnight. Next morning, wash off with cold water. Do this daily. Petroleum jelly is a great moisturizer for eyebrows. It can moisturize dry eyelashes too. It makes your eyelashes thicker. It is an easy, inexpensive way of preventing dry, brittle lashes and getting your lash line in a better condition. You can also mix castor oil with vitamin E oil. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching the video.